In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change your T-Mobile plan with ease. Whether you're looking to upgrade, downgrade, or just explore your options, we'll walk you through the process step by step using the T-Life app. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the T-Life app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. This is crucial because it gives you access to all your account details and options for managing your plan. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on Manage. This will take you to a screen where you can see all the phone lines associated with your account. Here, you will want to select the specific phone line you wish to manage. Simply tap on it to proceed. Now, scroll down to where your current plan details are displayed. You should see an option that says View Details. Go ahead and tap on that. This will give you a comprehensive view of what your current plan entails, including its features and pricing. After reviewing your current plan, tap on Explore Plans. This is where the fun begins. You'll be able to compare your current plan with other available T-Mobile plans. Take your time to review each option. Consider not only the price, but also the features and benefits that come with each plan. This is a good opportunity to ensure your plan matches your needs, whether that's more data, better international options, or something else entirely. Once you've found a plan that suits your needs, tap Select Plan. At this point, you're almost ready to make the switch. If you're interested in any additional add-ons, now is the time to select those as well. These could be anything from international calling packages to extra data bundles, depending on what's available. Now, it's time for the final step. Review all the changes you've made. This includes the new plan you've selected and any add-ons you've chosen. Make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied, tap Agree and Submit. And there you have it, your new T-Mobile plan will be scheduled to activate on your account. And that's how you change your T-Mobile plan. It's a simple process that gives you the flexibility to adjust your mobile service to better fit your lifestyle. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new plan.